Today we are diving deep into the topic that's been creating a lot of call in the beauty and the beautiness world, glutathione injection. You're likely seeing the claims glowing skin whitening, and a powerful antioxidant boost. But what exactly is glutathione? How do these injections work, and are the claims true? We'll also be comparing it to another popular skincare ingredients, that is collagen. Let's get scientific. Let's decode the science, no myths, just facts. Stay with me if you're truly serious about skin health, whitening, and anti-aging. What is glutathione? Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant which is produced in the liver. It's made up of 3 amino acids: glutamine, cysteine, and glycine. Its main job is detoxification the body, supporting liver health, fighting oxidative stress, boosting immunity, and in cosmetic dermatology, lightening the skin. But how? How glutathione lighten the skin? Melanin is the pigment responsible for our skin color. Dark skin equal to more melanin, light skin equal to less melanin. Collagen versus glutathione, which is better? Glutathione works by inhibiting the enzyme tyrosinase, which is needed for melanin production. Less melanin equal to brighter and more even toned skin. Glutathione injection, what are they? Glutathione injections and why they are again popular for the skin benefits. They are behind this injection is to increase the digestive system, where oral glutathione supplements not be absorbed as effectively. By injecting glutathione directly into the bloodstream, proponents believe it can lead to higher levels in the body, potentially impacting skin health. When taken orally, glutathione has low bioavailability. It's mostly broken down in the gut. Hence, dermatologists often recommend IV glutathione injections, which bypass the digestion and directly enters into the bloodstream. Many people claims glowing, radiance, and even fairer skin in 2 to 3 months of regular injection. Is skin whitening with glutathione safe? It's crucial to understand the primary function of glutathione in the body is not skin whitening. It's vital antioxidant, detoxification agent. Any skin lightening effects are likely a secondary consequence of its impact on melanin production. But here's the truth. Skin whitening is not FDA approved as used of glutathione in many countries. Long-term effects are not fully known. Overdosing can damage the kidneys and livers. Injections must be given by trained professionals only. The skin whitening controversy. Evidence check. Study 1 2018. IV glutathione showed no significant lightening in subcontinent Asian women with 32% experiencing liver damage. Study 2 2016. Oral or topical glutathione reduced melanin in small trials, but effects were temporary and required ongoing use. Reality check. FDA check. Philippines and USA FDA condemned glutathione for lightening glutathione because of risk, placebo effects, subjective glow from stem hydration during IV drips, not glutathione itself. Now let's address the comparison. Collagen versus glutathione. Both are popular in the beauty and wellness, but they serve different roles. Collagen is the protein that is the main structural component of our skin, hair, nails, bones, and connective tissues. It provides strength, elasticity, and support. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and joint tissues. Glutathione is a tripeptide with powerful antioxidants and detoxification properties. While it might indirectly contribute to healthier looking skin by fighting oxidative stress, its primary role is in structural support like collagen. Collagen is best for reducing wrinkles and improving elasticity, whereas glutathione is best for pigmentation, detoxification, and glow. Want the best? Many clinics combine both in anti-aging drips. Natural ways to boost glutathione. Here are natural ways to boost your glutathione in the body. Vitamin C rich foods, citrus like berries, sulfur rich foods like broccoli, garlic, onions, protein rich foods like eggs and fish, supplements like N-acetylcysteine, alpha-lipoic acid, lifestyle like regular exercise, sleep, and no alcohol. And yes, less stress, less oxidative damage, more glutathione. What dermatologists say? Dermatologists agree that glutathiones can be effective temporarily, but it's not permanent and maintenance doses are required. They emphasize treating the root cause of pigmentation like sun damage, hormonal imbalance, and etc. Using sunscreen daily, incorporating skin brightening topical like retinols, kojic acids, and niacinamide. So to summarize, glutathione is a vital antioxidant with numerous health benefits. While injection might offer higher level in the body compared to oral supplements, the evidence for significant skin whitening is still limited and warrants cautions. For overall skin health and anti-aging, a holistic approach involving a healthy dietary rich antioxidants, good skin practices, and potential collagen supplementation might be more sustainable and evidence-based. IV glutathione is a gamble. The marginal unproven benefits don't justify life-threatening risk. Safer alternatives, topical vitamin C brightens skin safely. Oral antioxidants precursors to glutathione. Conclusion and takeaways. The final thoughts. Glutathione skin lightening claims rely on weak science and risky delivery methods. For glowing skin, less sunscreen and retinol collagen supplements. Can you try a $500 injection with no proven results? The Food and Drug Administration warned the public associated with injectable lightening agents such as glutathione. Several health and beauty salons, wellness spas, and beauty clinics are offering all kinds of beauty enhancement service and skin treatments. It is alarming that they also offer services such as intravenous drips or infusions using skin lightening agents including infused glutathione, vitamin C, and other injections. Glutathione injections for skin lightening. There are also no published guidelines for appropriate dosing regimens and duration of treatment. Side effects on the use of injectable glutathione for skin lightening includes toxic effect on liver, kidneys, and nervous systems. Also of concern is the possibility of Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Stevens-Johnson syndrome is a rare, serious disorder of the skin and mucous membrane. It's usually the reaction to medication that starts with flu-like symptoms followed by a painful lesions that spread like blisters. Then the top layer of the skin dies and blisters appear. Glutathione skin lightening effects are generally not permanent but can be sustained with consistent efforts and maintenance. While glutathiones can lighten skin tone, but effects may fade over time if skin protection and healthy habits are not maintained. Taking glutathione for long term has been linked to lower zinc levels. Inhaled glutathione may trigger asthma attacks in people who have asthma. Symptoms may include wheezing. To wrap up, glutathione injections can provide benefits for those looking for glowing, lighter skin. However, it's crucial to approach the treatment with caution and informed guidance. Remember, while glutathione plays a significant role in skin and health maintenance and balance, diet, staying hydrated, and protecting your skin from sun are essential for overall skin wellness. So friends, be informed. Your beauty lies in understanding your skin, not chasing fairness. Don't fall for every trend blindly. Science is your best mirror. Until next time, stay radiant, stay real.